Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a makeup tutorial for you guys slash a brief review on the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette that I had decided to recently pick up when they were having a half price deal on the Too Faced official website, and I was so excited to receive this palette because I've been wanting a holiday eyeshadow makeup palette release from Too Faced for some times now. I absolutely love the peach palette from Too Faced, so I decided to purchase this one. So I personally don't have the other two holiday releases that they had for the gingerbread themed ones. I was kind of bummed that I missed out on those, but after watching a couple of YouTubers review on this palette, I just know that I had to have this palette. But before I talk about this palette, if you guys want to know how I created this eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. This is my completed eye makeup look. It's kind of orangey and gold tonish. What else is new? I'm just trying to stay with the fall theme, even though we are in winter, full-blown winter right now. But every time I pick this palette up and take a whiff at this palette, it takes me back to the fall time, especially when that fall weather hits. You just crave that pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. This just takes me back to that time. I know, I'm just so basic, but I love the uniqueness of this eyeshadow palette. You have nice range of colors, like from light to dark. You have nice bluish purples to work with. You have greens, you have pinks, you have gold. So much is happening within this palette, and I am so glad that I had decided to pick it up because it is just giving me so much inspiration. So the four shades that stood out to me is Fall Vibes. This is Spice Spice Baby. This one is Warm and Cozy, a nice burgundy shade, and this is what I use in my inner corners. It's like a nice pinky pearly champagne color. It's called Oh My God. I love all of these shades on my eyelids. So the metallic shades within this palette have a lot of glitter in them, so I would be careful with these shades, like this purple one, PSL and Chill, the Oh My God and Fall Vibes, and Want a Piece of Me. This one also is like a nice lavender shade. Those shades definitely have a bit of a glitter fallout, but most of these shades are all mattes. I really like Spice Baby for the transition color, Warm and Cozy for my outer corner color. I'm excited to use the other mattes within this palette, and there's some sandy shades, but most of them are matte, which I really appreciate. I do love my shimmery metallic shades, but I prefer a palette with more matte color so that I can work with some depth on my eyelids, if that makes any sense. I will highly recommend this palette if you guys love to create colorful looks on your eyes especially, and I'm not even into color, like I'm really not. So it's just this palette inspires me to play with more colorful looks on my eyes, and I absolutely love the scent of this, the concept of this palette, pumpkin spice. The gingerbread palettes, I was intrigued by them, but not as much as this palette. So if you guys could still pick up this palette, I strongly suggest and recommend that you guys get it. I'm not saying go out there right now to get it. Of course, it depends on your personal preference. That's what it all comes down to. But I hear a lot of people raving about this palette, so I just had to have it, and I'm so glad that I decided to purchase it, you know, at the last minute per usual. And of course, wait for the sales, because a lot of sales are happening around this time. And yeah, I have this annoying hair all over my forehead. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy my eye makeup tutorial look and everything. I will list down all of the things I have on my face down the description bar below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys take care, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.